Paramahamsa Nityananda, a compelling spiritual force of our millennium, founder of an international socio-spiritual movement, pioneer of a modern Vedic Renaissance. Born in the sacred town of Tiruvannamalai, a yogi by birth, fearless spiritual explorer, beacon of divine power, Paramahamsa Nityananda is today an inspiration for millions on the path. Adept in ancient mystical yogic sciences, researcher of the science of spirituality, guru for enlightenment. Every year, Paramahamsa Nityananda shares with over 1 crore people worldwide the treasures of his wisdom, the joy of his laughter, and the incomparable power of his initiation. Now, Paramahamsa Nityananda speaks on living enlightenment, solutions for blissful living. Join us for an unforgettable spiritual experience.
व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धि एकेह गुरुनंदन बहुशाखा ह्यनंताश्च बुद्धयो व्यवसायिनाम. The old translation: joy of the Kurus, all you need is single pointed determination. Thoughts of the irresolute are many, branched and endless. My own new translation: O descendant of Kuru dynasty, here there is a firm preservance of purpose. But for those who do not have preservance, their purposes are many branched and limitless. Bhagavan says very clearly, you need only one thing: determination, firm preservance of purpose. People who are not able to preserve their purpose, who don't have perseverance of their purpose, their thoughts go in thousands of branches in limitless way. Key word for any success, password for external and internal success, is determination, perseverance. Beautiful word Bhagavan is using in Sanskrit. Vyavasayatmika buddhihi. Vyavasayatmika buddhi. Ready to persevere, go through the hardships, stand with perseverance, determination. In Sanskrit, agriculture is also called as Vyavasaya. Means you need to plow the land, sow the seed, wait for the crop to grow, remove the weeds, finally get the result of what do you want, get the grain. Vyavasayatmika buddhihi. Tremendous perseverance. Understand, I wanted you to know some of the basic truths. When Buddha declared life is suffering, when I read that statement first, I said, no, what is this? This fellow, such a pessimist. Starting with a statement, life is suffering. Now, I agree with Buddha with all respects. Unless you learn that word first, you do not develop perseverance. Man do not develop vyavasayatmika buddhi, perseverance, unless he understands that statement. Life is suffering. Life is dukkha. See, the big problem is, when you feel life is joy, when you believe life is joy, you tend to wander. You take up one project, suddenly you feel the other project glitters more. The other side is more greenery. Wow! I think that life is more joyful, more green, more shining, more palabala. Let me jump. You jump there. From there, when you look at the other side, wow, that looks more shiny, more beautiful, more powerful, great. Let me jump there. You jump there. Markada Vairagya. In Sanskrit, we have a word called renunciation of the monkey. Monkey renounces one branch to catch other branch, but it doesn't stay with that branch. Within 2 seconds, it catches some other branch and renounces this branch also. Margada Vairagya. Renunciation of the monkey. No? When Bhagavan Buddha says, life is suffering, his first statement is that only. Life is dukkha, suffering. I attest, I second his opinion. Only when you understand life is suffering, you learn perseverance. When you take up a project, when you face suffering, you'll understand, hey, life is suffering. Let me stand with this suffering, with this project, and see the end of it. Truth is life is joy. Fact is life is suffering. Till you experience truth, better be with fact. Vyavasayatmika buddhi keha kurunantana. Perseverance in any level, in any project, whether it is the inner world or outer world. Understand, even living enlightenment is a project. Jivan Mukti is a project. You take it up. It's a project, you take it up. To achieve the end of it, in the initial level, believing life is suffering will be much better, because you will have perseverance. When you face different sufferings, different problems, you will know, no, life is suffering. Let me be stable. The stability will happen in you. When you don't understand life is suffering, the stability does not happen in you. There's a term I learned just 2 days before. Quid pro quo. Quid pro quo. You scratch my back, I scratch your back. Just 2 days before, I was learning this word. I have teachers all around me. See, when you are ready to learn, you will have teachers, everybody all around you. Quid pro quo. You scratch my back, I scratch your back. Let both of us be together. This is the way the collective illusions are spread. Collective delusions are created. For thousands of years, people were believing earth is flat because of collective delusion. You scratch my back, I scratch your back. Collective delusion is the worst suffering a man can have. When you know life is suffering, you will have the perseverance, you will have the determination, you will have the vyavasayatmika buddhi. If you believe life is suffering, you will have the perseverance, you will have the determination to be stable and achieve. Vyavasayatmika buddhihi, fixed resolve. I tell you, which is a basic requirement for external and internal enlightenment. External and internal success. External and internal achievements.
Welcome to Inner Awakening, the most powerful personal transformation retreat you could ever experience. In just 21 days, thousands are already experiencing the shortest route to constantly high energy levels, visible anti-aging, healing of chronic diseases, fulfilling relationships, and higher states of consciousness. What is the secret behind this transformation?
Kundalini means the inner potential energy. Once it is awakened, opens the different doors for the conscious experience in you. I can say which is a master key for all extraordinary spiritual experiences.
This extraordinary program is conducted personally by Paramahamsa Nityananda in the vibrant atmosphere of Nityananda Dhyanapitham Ashram. Open yourself to the benefits of Nitya Yoga and practical meditation. Experience physical and mental healing. Discover simple ways to handle life with success. Above all, enjoy individual darshan and blessings from Paramahamsa Nityananda every day. Take 21 days for yourself and carry home the transformation of a lifetime.